Let's talk about bioresonance therapy. There's no side effects and it really does work. Lots of scientific studies showing that it does make a difference.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist, get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, today I want to talk about a relatively new therapy called Bioresonance Therapy, and really great stuff. There's no doubt about it. No side effects whatsoever, and works for the body electric energy that we have in us, all around us. It's very interesting and really great stuff. But before I get into that, if you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please tell other people and also subscribe. Also, get a hold of a copy of my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. Live a Cancer-Free Life. If you just Google that, it will come up. It's on Amazon. Have a great rating on Amazon and people love it. I've had people say this is my second Bible now. Also, some people have gone into remission with their cancer with this. Almost 4 out of 5 of you are coming down with cancer. Not good. We had additional 10 million people come down with cancer. Really not good. So, let's lower your chances of having cancer in a big way. Bioresonance therapy, it kind of rings of aura and energy, and we have a body electric. Everything in our body works electrically. There's no doubt about that. Every cell has energy around it, and this is very, very important. I was really interested in it, so I started looking up some of the scientific articles about it, and the ones by the National Institute of Health, and a lot of them on PubMed, and it's like, wow, this is really interesting. It really does work. There's no doubt about that. And so I would highly recommend it. It has no side effects. All I do is put a little electrode pad on your hand or your arm, and maybe on both. And then from there, you sit there for an hour and you do the therapy. And they actually adjust the bio energy that you have going on in your body. When this energy gets off, we start having disease of all kinds, and it needs to be adjusted, and we can help with lots of different problems. This really goes back to Heinrich Reich and his, Reich machine many years ago. He was put in prison and actually died before he got out of prison. And it was very interesting. He said he was a quack and all this kind of stuff. But actually another university came and built all of the machines and said, well, you know what? These things do work. He even created a weather machine and all kinds of different things. When they go, well, we have to go to him. There is something going on there he is using. So, and there's other people who have made machines similar to this, and they've been around for a long time. And let's not forget the great work of Dr. Max Gerson. He started teaching particular diets to people, and they were getting better, and all of a sudden he was poisoned. Not good. And then he's actually cured himself of the poison, and actually was able to come back again and was poisoned the second time. Really interesting. But we've had a lot of people create medical breakthroughs that have nothing to do with taking something by mouth. And there's a lot of resistance to this type of stuff, and big resistance in great ways, because that's big money for sure. And many people have been using this therapy, bioresonance therapy. There's 13,000 doctors, practitioners. They also 6,500 doctors, 5,600 naturopaths, 770 dentists, 700 veterinarians, 280 veterinary naturopaths. Animals don't think about placebo effect. If it works for an animal, it worked pretty much for sure. Also, it was very interesting program on Gaia TV talking about all this and how we need to move to the next step of actually reversing disease in a great way without having to take something. I think it's really kind of crazy. And some of the health challenges that we'll help with are allergies, food intolerances, digestive disorders, arthritis, back pain, joint disorders, degenerative disc problems in your back, eczema, also psoriasis, hormonal problems, also depression in a great way, also chronic fatigue syndrome, some types of tumors, gum disease, people who have a lack of energy in general, chronic fatigue, as I said also, weight loss, osteoporosis, drug addiction, sports injuries, chronic stress, and more and more and more. I could go on for quite a while. Find a bioresonance therapist or doctor who's using this near you. You can just Google, find bioresonance therapist near you or a doctor near you, and that will come up, and you can start your actual healing process. I think this is one of the great ways that we can heal for sure. Now, I'm all into herbs. There's no doubt about that. And also supplements. Those are great. And I love diet. There's absolutely no doubt about that. But I think that we need to step into the next area of healing, which is amazing. We know that hands-on healing does work. Lots of scientific articles showing it really does make a change. There's no doubt about it. If you've ever done Reiki, I'm a Reiki practitioner myself, magnified healing, those type of things. There is energy there. There's no doubt about it. Anybody who's done any kind of Qigong work or healing, they know that there's energy there, bringing that energy together. Why does that work and something like this not work? Well, I think it does work for sure. So if you want to get healthy, give this a try. It basically is just sitting there for an hour with a little bit of minute electrical energy going into you, and it's no pain whatsoever, no side effects. So really great stuff. If you like what I do and want to make the next step of getting really healthy, try this bioresonance for sure. But also give me a call at 831-869-9119. We can make your chronic disease go away for sure. And I do all my work, video conferencing on FaceTime, Skype, WhatsApp, and other modalities. So you could be anywhere in the world. And I just worked with somebody in Australia. That was yesterday. A really nice lady having strokes and that type of thing. And my actual fees are very inexpensive and making a donation to me. So I highly recommend. Let's not suffer anymore. Maybe you need a particular diet. I am a really great at making particular diets for particular things that are going on. No reason to have a chronic disease. Give me a call at 831-869-9119. And remember two things. Remember God. Remember I love you. And also remember, be kind to one another.